To show you how to add the watermark to your pictures in the Darkroom app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the library. From here we just go into the top left corner, click on Darkroom, then we click on settings, and here we click on watermark, and here we can either add an image or a text for our watermark. Let's see. Yeah, select the font, select the color, set the size, set the offset, and then the opacity as well. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.